Okay, this is going to be today's video review for Wednesday, September 7th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Today in the morning brew before 8 a.m. we said that the market is struggling to get a C wave above 83, so we felt that was a good point of control. And then on the downside we had 86 and 3/4 and some lower targets. Let's have a look at what happened. You can see that we got above 83 and then we started struggling. And if you're using the Drum Energy bands, you're seeing the dots here staying below the midline here as well. We're dealing with the higher charts upper energy band, so this is very significant for the trader to recognize that we're in resistance. We only want to be looking to sell with red bricks, so there's an opportunity there. We had a couple other opportunities on the downside. Let's have a look at the axe as well for the ES today. For today, for example, you can see that what we're looking at is the daily chart, 1440 minute daily chart, same thing. But when this closed yesterday, we knew today's resistance was here and we knew today's support was there. So these are significant levels that the axe projects. So let's take a look at some intraday patterns. Today we knew that this resistance level from the daily chart right here was showing up because our intraday patterns were showing and telling us that. And there were some scalps back on up from here, we'll say, but definitely from down here and here if you're up early. And then of course down here a little bit further were some significant signals that you rely upon, very significant levels. If you're really struggling to look at the market from a very different perspective, and finding yourself a great deal of difficulty, seeing things in such a way that it makes you believe that you have confidence in your trading, it's probably because most of what's out there falls in the same category. And when we look at things the same way, we attach quite a bit of negativity to that. So what we suggest doing is try us out for 2 weeks, $99, look at the method, listen to our daily coaching call, take a look at how this presents itself quite a bit differently to the trader's mindset, by asking questions even before you lease our software and then look at owning it. But we'd like you to be comfortable. We offer a 10-day money-back guarantee. If you're interested, you can obviously send an email to jb@drumenergybands.com, and we also do a weekly webinar. There's a link just below the video. Thank you very much for your interest.